Roots and Rhymes back with another video. My name is Vince, aka Lawai, and today we're talking about 3 of the most useful folding saw tips and tricks for when you're out in the woods, as well as talk about this saw right here, which is the Silky BigBoy2000 Outback Edition. Now, this right here is a beast of a saw. It has impulse hardened, non-set teeth. The blade length is 36 centimeters. That's just over 14 inches. It weighs about 1 pound and it cuts like absolute butter. If you're looking for something a little bit more compact than this, there is the Silky BigBoy2000, which is an excellent choice. If you're wondering what the differences are, the Outback Edition has a black nickel coating on the blade, which adds durability and stealth, as well as the grip. The grip is a different material, so the Outback Editions will provide superior grip in cold, wet, or game processing conditions. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Tip number 1, you're in the bush, you wanna split some wood, you have a knife, but it's not big enough to baton, you don't have an axe, but you do have a folding saw. Let me show you how you can split your wood with just this tool. We're gonna cut about halfway, just like this. And now all you're gonna do is just smash that log down on another log. I'm gonna just do it here in the garage. And just like that, you can split your wood. There you are. Tip number 2, you can use your knee as a vice grip for logs that aren't too big in diameter and too short in length for cutting. Let me show you what I mean. Tip number 3, with a bit of paracord, a log, and a tree, you can make yourself a saw bench. Move the tree up. Rinse and repeat. You're gonna take your paracord and you're gonna tie both ends together with a square knot. You could also use a fisherman's knot here. You might wanna measure before. And you'll bring it over to your tree and you just wanna pass one loop into the other. So you have one loop like this, where you will insert your branch, just like so, to create that nice little bench. Now bring a big tree over, drag it on over here. You're gonna let it sit there, and now you have a nice table to saw away without being all hunched over. Super easy, super clean and efficient. I like to use this one a lot. If you got value out of this, hit that subscribe button. On a road to 1,000 right now. That's the next big milestone for the channel. Smash that like button, leave a comment down below if you have anything to say. And last but not least, I'll see you in the woods, my friend.